In the heart of creativity and innovation, a journey began, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. Founded in 2000, Dhruv Globals has established itself as a trusted name in the global garment industry. With 3 advanced manufacturing units located in Faridabad and Sonipat, all near India's capital, New Delhi, we are committed to exceeding customer expectations through focus on quality and innovation. As a vertically integrated knitted garment manufacturer, Dhruv Globals leverages state-of-the-art technology across all the stages of production, like knitting, dyeing, finishing, embroidery, placement printing, and sewing. Our fabric knitting and dyeing location is ISO 14001:2015 assessed and OECOTEX certified. We have a robust fabric knitting capacity of 1.5 million yards per month, utilizing top-tier machinery from Orizio, Sheima Seki, Terret, Wellrich, and Palom. Our dyeing and finishing capacity also stands at 1.5 million yards per month. It is powered by high-temperature, high-pressure soft flow, low liquor ratio machines from Rajoli and DMS. We have the confidence to handle fabrics ranging from 90 GSM to 400 GSM using open-width slitter, stenter and compactor capabilities. Dhruv Globals takes pride in offering one of the world's finest finishing ranges, featuring Santex and Ehava machines, which enables us to provide a variety of finishes such as UV protection, moisture management, resin finish, DWR finish, Teflon, enzyme, elastomeric, and antimicrobial treatments. Dhruv Globals maintains exceptional quality standards using modern technology and software. Our advanced tools, including automatic dispenser machine, Macbeth matching cabinets and spectrophotometers, ensure precise color matching and consistency. Our stitching operations are equipped with 2100 Juki, Pegasus, Brother and Yamato sewing machines, supported by Eastman cutters, band knives, and Hashima fusing machines, enabling us to achieve a stitching capacity of 1 million pieces per month. We have specialized machinery for automatic placket making, eyelet keyhole, multi-needle chain stitch, neck rib attaching, feed of the arm cover seam, small bed cuff hemming and elastic attaching operations. Our embroidery section operates 9 advanced computer embroidery machines from Barudan and SWF with provision of sequins attachment, chenille, boring, code appliques and mixed concepts to meet customer demands. The embroidery capacity is 15,000 pieces per day. With a focus on colors, shades, hand feel, the printing procedures are the best in industry. Utilizing automatic machines from M&R, the capacity output is 10,000 pieces per day. Various print techniques such as pigment, plastisol, foil, rainbow foil, high density, puff, caviar beads, metallic, and distressed are all done in-house. Our expert quality control unit conducts stringent checks on both quality and quantity, supported by dedicated laboratories that ensure every product meets the highest industry standards.
Our commitment to quality is paramount. We constantly invest in latest technology, streamline our processes, and cultivate strong relationships with our clients.
Dhruv Global's passionate fabric development team creates innovative fabrics tailored to the unique needs of our customers. Textured fabrics, fabrics with lurex, jacquard fabrics, and multiple count fabrics are all used widely. We have a dedicated, well-equipped design studio with latest design software including CAD, 3D CAD designing, and 3D draping. Dhruv Globals excels in producing high-quality knitted garments for the entire family, ladies, men's, girls, boys, babies and unisex. Diverse range includes tees, tops, polos, rugbies, sweatshirts, shorts, joggers, jackets, hoodies, dresses, bodysuits, rompers, and jumpsuits. Handwork with sequins, beads, mixed media and garment washes are all done extensively. Our exceptional service has resulted in supply partnership with leading global brands like Nordstrom, Vineyard Wines, Express, Primary, Tommy Bahama, The Normal Brand, Nautica, Next, S. Oliver, Tommy Hilfiger, Chaps, Costco, QVC, Amazon, Land's End, Liverpool, OJJ, Orange Theory Fitness, Southern Tide, and Suburbia. Dhruv Globals has a team of over 4,000 employees, with women representing 25% of the workforce, reflecting our focus on inclusivity. As a major partner in the Samarth project with the Indian Ministry of Textiles, we have successfully trained over 6,500 individuals. With help of our customers, other initiatives like the Sakhi project, Financial Literacy Program, Prerna Project, Leadership for Life, a finance program, and impact program have been conducted at our manufacturing units. Our mission is to empower individuals and cultivate a skilled, thriving community for generations to come. As a responsible textile manufacturer, Dhruv Globals is committed to environment-friendly practices. It prioritizes the use of sustainable materials like 100% organic cotton, recycled polyester, BCI cotton, Tencel model, Ecavero viscose, and adheres to compliance standards as GOTS, OCS, GRS and RCS. The modern dyeing machinery has reduced water consumption by 20%, and biofuel-based boilers have been installed to further minimize environmental impact. Other efforts to reduce carbon footprint include use of LED lighting, reusing rejected RO water and use of dual-fuel generators. Dhruv Global's innovative and sustainable approach reflects the commitment to preserving the planet for future generations.